In this video, I will show you how to change project path in CapCut. So if you want to change project path in CapCut, let me show you step by step how to do it. After you open the CapCut, now you finish your editing. Now you want to change the project path. So now you click on this export button. After you click on the export, so now here is where you'll be able now to change the path. So now you click on this folder option. After you click on the folder option, now it will open your PC for you. So now it will open your PC like this for you. So the first thing to do, now you tap on this desktop site, and then now you go now and choose the folder that you want to save your project. Let's say now I want to save my project inside on the desktop. After you select the location, then you tap on this select folder button, and from there now you tap on this export button. After you click on the export, now the project will be exported into the location that you selected. If this video helps, like and subscribe. We'll meet in the next one.